In this screencast, we will show you a simulation tool and the context processing for smart products. It was developed at the Technical University of Darmstadt. This application simulates a coffee machine in the real environment. It can make coffee, and of course espresso and hot water. Thereby it produces the same events as our real coffee machine. This is a world view tool that is able to simulate location data. In this virtual apartment, 4 persons are located, using 2 location positioning systems. The first one is UBSense, a commercially available location positioning system. The other one is called Iris and was developed by Technical University of Darmstadt. UBSense locates Sonja and Victoria, while Oliver and Daniel are located by Iris. Now we'll have a look how the localization works in the background. Here you see the coordinates of the 2 persons who are tracked by the Iris location system. When Oliver, he's the person with the Iris ID number 5, is moving around, his coordinates change. Likewise, changes in Daniel's position and in the position of the persons located with the UBSense system are reported. However, this raw location data is usually not the representation that is needed by a context-aware application. For example, the users are represented by IDs and not by names, and their location is represented with abstract x-y coordinates, and not with symbolic locations like living room. The processing of raw context information to a more meaningful representation is performed by the context manager that you can see here. The context information is processed by several widgets, from left to right. The application developer can control every step in the processing chain with a graphical editor and easily add new widgets to it. It visualizes for every widget which context information is received and produced. A context-aware application can subscribe to context events or query the context manager for context information. We will now illustrate how the simulation tools and the context manager are used for implementing a simple smart coffee machine. I place Sonja, who is tracked by UBSense, next to the coffee machine. Then I empty the water tank of the coffee machine. Based on the data of the location positioning systems, the coffee machine is able to discover which person is standing in front of it. The smart coffee machine can now proactively remind Sonja to refill water.
Sonja, please refill water.
As soon as Sonja has refilled the water, the smart coffee machine thanks her.
Thank you.
That also works when Oliver, who is tracked by Iris, stands next to the coffee machine. Again, the coffee machine speaks directly to Oliver.
Oliver, please refill water.
And thanks him after he filled the water tank.
Thank you.
For our example application, the smart coffee machine is subscribed to the water empty context events. If such an event occurs, it queries the context manager for the name of the nearest user and is thus able to address him or her directly.
Thank you
For watching.